What's up, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. This is a quick video on how to do a goatee. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and lighten that goatee up, and then we're going to go ahead and shape it up. So in this particular case, we used a 1.5. Now make sure your customer is folding their lip so they can get that hair on the bottom because the nose could be in the way. Now we're going to go ahead and start with our outliner. We're going to start on the outside line to get that straight look for the goatee. A lot of people like it round, a lot of people like it straight. So in this particular case, we went straight and we went a little rounded at the bottom of the chin. So now we're going to go ahead and get the inside of the line. You want to be very careful on this part. You want to make sure that you keep that line where it's at, because you don't want to push it too far out, because then the goatee can end up looking crooked. So in this particular case, we went under the mustache. Now we're going to go on top of the mustache. All right, guys, getting the other side. Now I noticed that this side of the goatee, when I started cutting it, was a little thinner. So later on in the video, I'm gonna have to thin out that side of the goatee, because this side is just a little bit thinner. The hair doesn't grow as thick as the other side, but that's what happens sometimes with customers. So you gotta know how to work with the hair that you have on the face. And over here on this right here, we're just going under the chin and just rounding out the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and get the inside. I'm going to keep it as wide as possible right here in the inside as well. Like I said, this side is slightly thinner. Now I'm going to go under the mustache as well. And the same thing we're going to do is we're going to get the top of the lip. Okay, at this point, I want to go ahead and get the inside of the goatee. We're going to give it a little line right here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now, all of the detail is going to come from the razor work. Now, I did want to thin this side out a little bit more, like I said earlier in the video. Now, we're going to go ahead and use the straight razor to really get this thing sharp. So we're going to go ahead and grab an Easy Blade, and we're going to also grab an Easy Blade straight razor, and we're going to grab some shave gel. Shave gel is key because we want the blade to just glide. So I'm going to put some shave gel on the mustache, the sides, all areas that I'm going to use the razor on. That's going to allow the blade to glide. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pull the skin from the side. And we're going to start our line. We're going to start the detail here to make this thing look nice and straight. So you can see I'm stretching the skin, angling the blade at a 30, basically holding the blade against the skin at a 30-degree angle. And that's going to allow you not to cut the client or cut yourself. Same thing, I did the inside of the goatee. Now I'm going to do that part, and we're going to just make sure that it's shaped up in the inside as well. So now you want your customer to fold the lip, or you fold your lip if you're shaping yourself up. Make sure that you're folding your lip. This gives you more space to work with. We're going to go ahead and do this side as well. Now, if you can't get in the middle, put your tongue out, or tell your client to put their tongue out. This way you get the skin stretched. And that's going to give you a better surface to work with. And this is what we have. We have the goatee. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you want to see.